What do you do when you have a bad business partner? The first thing you need to do is really make a determination. Do you have a bad business partner? And if you're watching this video and you're thinking about this topic, odds are you do indeed have a bad business partner. So then the next thing becomes, how do you split? Now this will depend on the foundational work you've done. Here on the channel, we talk a lot about partnerships and partnership agreements. It's something me, as a practicing attorney, that I'm passionate about. I want people to build good agreements because I've seen what happens when they don't. If you've done the homework and you met with your attorney and your attorney did a good job and built a foundation, you may have mechanisms in your LLC agreement to split up the partnership and to allow the partners to go different ways. That may have been contemplated. The concept that partners may split may already be in your LLC documents. There could be more advanced versions, which more sophisticated clients with bigger dollars at stake will build that, or they may be more simple, but there may be a mechanism already there. If they're not, what you're generally looking at is going to your LLC statute in your state, or corporation law if you are a corporation instead of an LLC, and you're going to that statute and looking for what type of deadlock provisions you have. Now, generally, most statutes that govern businesses will have mechanisms for you to get to the courthouse. You will be able normally to get to a judge to break up the deadlock. The problem is it's usually a long process. You may have clients that you need to service right now, and you've got to deal with that awkwardness and then the uncertainty of what the judge is going to do with you and your business. So the best thing you can do is avoid these problems before they happen, and that's why we talk so much about advanced planning. If you happen to be catching this video early and you just happen to be proactive, now may be a great time to go back and revise your company documents. It's generally easy to meet with a lawyer and update your company documents if everybody's getting along. But as soon as everybody starts disagreeing, it becomes difficult. And if you have that bad business partner, I highly recommend you get an experienced practitioner who can look at your situation, give you advice and options, and you're going to have a lot of negotiations in front of you. Unfortunately, it may be expensive, but the cost of getting rid of a bad business partner is usually smarter money than continuing a bad relationship long into the future. Do you have questions or issues about business law? Feel free to comment below, but remember that YouTube comments are not confidential, so do not place anything there that you would not want the public seeing. Feel free to comment. We learn a lot from viewer comments, and there's a whole library of past videos about business law, and growing your business here on this channel. So make sure you go check them out, comment to those videos, subscribe, and I'll see you for another video very soon. Thanks for tuning in today.